Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Infographic charts are ones to add on the catchy look into your regular charts, and in today's video we are going to create the same infographic pie chart to show the sales performance of the products. If you are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe and like and share the video. So let's create in simply 5 steps. Step 1, create the blank column data formula on the screen. Step 2, create the pie chart and select the data from the table for your product data, includes the performance value and support blank column. And remove all the chart options when you have created the chart from the insert chart options. And step 3, go to the insert option and insert the circles that is inserted from the circle shape you can see above, and paste it onto the pie chart and create another small circle to paste it on again. In step 4, color the performance area of the chart at a light blue color or whatever color you love. Further, you also create 2 other circles around the pie chart and select all the options and align them all in the middle. Finally, we have reached towards the step 5, and that is format the chart. It is also basically subdivided in further steps. First, select the no fill color option for the blank area of the chart so you can show only the color area of the chart. Second, choose the glow color matching the color of the chart for main central circle, and choose the white fill color for this circle. Now choose the small circle and choose the same light blue color of the border, just the border, and fill with your any of the favorite color. I have chosen a dark color here. Then choose the product symbol. I have chosen these products as just ABC, and choose the product symbol by using the equal sign and select the first product, and then now choose the outer circle and fill with your favorite matching color. I chose the yellow one. And now insert the text box and use the reference formula for chart percentage just to represent on it, and format the font with the same color scheme and adjust it above the chart or around the chart. Just above the chart is more appropriate. Now you have learned how to create this pie chart. Finally, there is definitely not a one product. You have to just gauge the performance of so many products, or you choose so many charts just for the sake of the comparison. So you can just align all of the charts by using the same steps, and you can create a beautiful infographic shape. I hope that you have liked the video, and if you haven't subscribed, just hit the subscribe button right below and get the notification for your new videos. Thanks for watching the video.